Good morning, babies. I hope you all are doing good. Yes? So, babies, today we'll do English. And in English, our topic is where to use in and where to use on. Okay? So, we'll do use of in and on. Okay. So, tell me, what is this? This is a chalk. This is a chalk. Now, and what is this? This is a bowl. Now, I am keeping this chalk here. So what will I say? The chalk is in the ball. The chalk is in the bowl. The chalk is in the bowl. Okay. Now, this is a chalk. Now I am keeping it on my book or on the table. So I will say the chalk is lying on the table. If it is touching the surface, and you can see it is, so we'll say on. This chalk is on the table. Okay. Now see, this chalk is on my head. If it is here, this chalk is little up, then I will say the chalk is over my head. Over. So what do you understand by it? If something is touching some surface, we'll say on. Okay. If it is little up from my head, then I will say over. Okay. If something is lying inside, we will say in. Okay. Now what will I say? This chalk is in the bowl. Okay. Now if I'll take it here, then I will say the chalk is under the bowl. The chalk is in the bowl. The chalk is lying on the bowl. The chalk is over the bowl. The chalk is under the bowl. So today we'll learn the use of in and on. So if it is inside, we'll say in. Oh, okay. And if it is lying on, then we'll say on. Okay. So the chalk is in the bowl and the chalk is on the bowl. Now can you see these pictures? So where you can see the bowl? The ball. The ball is in the basket. The ball is in the basket. Okay. The ball is in the basket. And where is the book lying? The book is on the table. The book is on the table. And where is the fish? The fish is in the tank. The fish is in the tank. And where is this box lying? The box is on the cot. And apple is in the bowl. In the bowl. And the bucket is on the floor. The bucket is on the floor. Okay. Now let's do it. Where is the ball? The ball is in the basket. The ball is in the ball is in the basket. Sentence finish, full stop. Okay. The ball is in the basket. Okay. Now, what is this? Where is the book lying? The book is on the table. So, we'll write the book is on the table. Sentence finish, full stop. Okay. Where is the fish? The fish is in the tank. In the tank. Okay. The fish. The fish is in the tank. Tank. Now, where is the box lying? The box is on the cot. So we'll say the box is on the cot. Full stop. Where is the apple? Is it on the bowl or it is in the bowl? So it is inside the bowl. So we'll say the apple is in the bowl. The apple is in the bowl. Full stop. Where is the bucket lying? The bucket is in the floor or on the floor. So the bucket is in the floor. The bucket is on the floor. The bucket is on the floor. Okay. So these are the use of in and on. Okay. You also make some sentences using the pictures. Okay. So do this activity. Do these sentences in your English copy. And do not forget to read page number 62 from your book TPTP 10. Okay. So babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day. Love you all.